go, Bucky Pup. Oh my goodness, look at that jump. Whatever. Oh my goodness. Hey, share. There you go. There you go, puppy. You want that? You don't want it? Are you sure? Smell again. There you go. See, that's fine, isn't it? You look like a cotton ball. You seem like the energetic type, aren't you? You guys are funny. Did you eat it or you just lay it down? I think he's eating it. He's got it. Oh, he put it on the grass over there. Are you gonna eat it or not? Hey, what you smell? Can I give you a pet? Is that okay? Hey. Hey, sweet puppy. Hi. Hi, sweet puppy. Hi. Oh, cute collar. Okay, I'll see you guys later.